They call it the Razer Blade 14. It comes with the latest Ryzen 9 5900HX processor, and in this video, let's unbox it. I am very excited about this laptop. I recently reviewed the Razer Blade 15 base model with the previous generation of the i7 10th generation processor. Now, I had a few comments of people who were kind of upset that I was reviewing the older generation model. So I took it upon myself to coordinate getting this model, which is the newest, the latest, the greatest, the uncomplaint-prone laptop that I'm hoping satisfies all viewers, all nations, and all people and all kinds. So, we're going to see. And all galaxies far, far away, of course. If that's your thing. Star Wars fan? Comment below. I'm a massive Star Wars fan. Although, like, I didn't really dig The Mandalorian. Does that make me a Star Wars fan? I don't know. Okay, anyway, Razer Blade. All right. Nice box. Not as, like, shiny as the previous generation, but I think they were going for more of a recycled look and going for more recycled materials. So that's a bonus here. Laptop comes in the beautiful, simple case. I like the design. I like the simplicity of the packaging that they send with this laptop. There it is. Yep. Go green. That's the goal with the more recycled cardboard look rather than all the shiny, unrecycled materials. All right, I'm going to get this thing out so you don't have to hear me all the noise, and then we'll keep looking at it. Very nice laptop. It is very reminiscent of the 13-inch model, which I have right here as well. As you can see from the top-down view, it's a little bit bigger, obviously, than the 13-inch model, and then also just a slight bit thicker, but not much at all. Now, I'm going to review these two head-to-head, and I'm going to actually pull in the 15-inch head-to-head, so if you want to check out that video when it comes out, it'll be linked in the YouTube cards above, because this is going to be a big showdown. Basically all the prominent Razer Blade models going head-to-head. This laptop probably comes in at around $2,200 shipped. And if you're curious about the exact pricing and availability, I have links in the description below. If you do make a purchase of those links, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you, of course. As always, that's what keeps this channel alive and the helpful content coming your way. All right, so first and foremost, very, very similar to the 15-inch we just reviewed. Nice, soft, rounded edges on the bottom, a more aggressive edge on the top cover. We have power port, USB Type-A, USB Type-C, headphone jack. On the other side, we have HDMI, USB Type-A, Kensington lock, and a USB Type-C. So very similar. All the laptops are going to have very similar ports and very similar configurations. This one, however, has a USB Type-C charger. This is the 13-inch. That's the big difference between the 15-inch model and the 14-inch. And then also the Razer Blade base to the Razer Blade Advanced. The Advanced has the SD card slot. This one does not. The big win for this laptop is going to be the Ryzen 9 5900HX processor. Because otherwise, it is very easy to open and close. It has a fantastic single hinge along the bottom of the screen. You have a webcam. You have quite a thick bezel, though. I'm not going to lie. There's quite a thick bezel here along the bottom of the screen. I probably would have preferred that to be a little bit smaller, being that the webcam isn't even down there. The webcam's up here. If they would have pulled that down even just a half inch, that would have given us a good bit more of screen room, which would have been fantastic. Speakers on the left and right side panels. Comes with the latest RTX 3070 GPU. So this laptop is powerful, and I'm so excited to start benchmarking it. But of course, I do these unboxings to get my first impressions to you guys, and then also field your questions. What do you want to know about this laptop? Drop it in the comment section below so I can make sure I review it exactly with what you want to know. All right, so keyboard, exact same keyboard as the Razer Blade 15, trackpad. Wonderful quiet trackpad. Like I said, these are the main competition, in my opinion, for the MacBook Pro. They're priced reasonably as far as powerful laptops are concerned, because when you go to something like the HP Z series, those are great laptops, but A, I don't think they're personally as well built as these Razer Blade lineups, and B, they are more expensive, and C, they're less powerful. These Razer Blades have a fantastic build quality, price point, and power for the, subset that they are in. Of course, we could buy cheaper laptops. Yes, we could. But for the power and the build quality that they put out, they are the best choice for the Windows-based laptops competing against the MacBook Pro. Okay, I don't want to digress any longer. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the screen flex. A little bit of screen flex there, but not too much. One thing I love about these laptops is the ventilation along the bottom of the chassis. You have a vent running along the bottom cover here, which leads out of the back panel here. And then you also have the 2 vents, which are very exposed to give good airflow. Now, there's no vents along the side panels, which is completely fine. It's what gives them a more low profile ability on this laptop, but still great ventilation. Let's see how well this one does cooling. The 15-inch base model did not cool super well, so I'm hoping that this model cools better, because that's one area the MacBook Pros really win out, is in the ability to keep their laptops cool and very quiet. So we'll see once we get into the test how that looks. Again, easily take off these screws to pull this off and reveal the components, which we will do right now. All right, let's go ahead and pull off the bottom cover quickly here. Make sure it comes off smoothly. There we go. Bam. Okay. So we easily have access to our SSD. You can see actually the speakers, which are facing up, which is awesome. And then we have the Wi-Fi card here, but the RAM is not easily accessible. So that's one thing. This upgrade path is going to be difficult. I'm going to link, if I can find it, the video for how to upgrade this laptop. I'll link that in the description below. If I can't find it, I'm sorry. And then I'll look into it more for the full review. Links if you're ready to make a purchase, likes if this video has brought you some value, and subs if you don't want to miss out on the full review and head-to-head battle between all the different Razer Blade laptops. I'll see you guys here in the next video.